Hello. Today we are going to learn about how to begin editing our documents. This is possible in all of the Office programs or all of the programs that you'll be learning about at my school. What I want you to notice is that there are some little red squiggly lines, and sometimes there are some green squiggly lines underneath your words. The ones that have the green, the computer thinks that those are not right for grammar. So there's some sort of grammar edit problem. The ones that are red, the computer thinks are spelled wrong. So we're going to learn how to fix that. Remember our ribbon across the top. We have worked with home and insert. Well, if you continue to look across the top, there's one that says review. Review means you are reviewing your work. So we're going to click on review. When you edit, you're reviewing. And it's pretty simple. We're going to ignore all this stuff for now, and we're going to look at proofing. So it's like proofreading your work when you're writing. This one is for spelling and grammar. This one is for definitions. This is to use different words. So if you are using a word like friend, it might give you another word for it. We can talk about that more later. This one tells you how many words. So if your teacher tells you to do a 100-word essay, well, click right there. It tells you how many words there are. So this one has 58 words. But the main thing we're going to work on today is spelling and grammar. So click spelling and grammar, and the computer starts thinking. Over here it comes, and it tells you what the problems are. Begin she. So according to it, it looks weird. And you can also have it play it.
Begin she.
Begin she, it says. Well, the problem with this one is it wants a space between begin and she. So it wants you to change it. So this is corrected at begin, period, space. And we're going to go change. So you need to reread it. This one says she loves to teach. This is the option that it thinks that it meant to spell. So I read my sentence. She loved to and that should say teach. I'm going to hit change. Notice I'm not clicking change all. I'm not clicking ignore all. If you do that, that adds it to the dictionary. Do not use those. Use only this one. Use only this one. Here's another one that is technology. She loved to teach kids about technology. I spelled that wrong. So is that spelled correctly? Yes. The next one, the kids liked coming to her. See how it highlighted where the problem was? That should be H-E-R, change. They used a whip. The videos taught them how to do things on the computers. I spelled that wrong, so let's see. Up here is computers. Change. Next one is activities. That's spelled correctly. Hit change. Alright, so it tells you that it's good. You're good to go. I'm going to do it one more time, though. Okay, so to review, we're going to use our ribbon across the top, and we're going to find where it is review, which means to edit. You find where it says spelling and grammar. That's that big check. Click it, and then you start matching. Miss Begin, she. There should be that period needs a space. We go to change. She loved to teach. That should be teach. Change. Technology. Spelled correctly. Change. This one, H-E-R, change. It's not always change, so you need to read it. Alright, so to review, we go to review at the top, review, find the check, and then let the computer check it for errors. That's it. Happy editing!